If you are building a high-end Ryzen system, you know that choosing the wrong memory can literally choke your performance before you even start. The G.SKILL Flare X5 series DDR5 RAM claims to be the sweet spot for AMD users. But is it actually the secret weapon your PC has been waiting for? When looking at the specs, this 32GB kit hits that legendary 6,000 megatransfers per second mark with a tight CL30 latency. For anyone following the latest hardware trends, that is widely considered the absolute gold standard for the current AM5 platform. The first thing that stands out is the design. G.SKILL went with a sleek matte black finish that feels incredibly premium without being flashy. There are no distracting RGB lights here, which is a breath of fresh air for builders who want a stealthy, professional look. Because of its low-profile height, it fits perfectly under those massive air coolers that usually cause clearance issues. But the real magic happens in the BIOS. Thanks to the AMD Expo profile, getting this memory to its rated speed is a one-click process. It takes away the headache of manual overclocking and ensures the system stays rock solid at 1.35 volts. In real-world testing, the difference is palpable. Applications open instantly, and in gaming, those crucial 1% lows stay high, providing a buttery smooth experience that cheaper kits just cannot match. It is specifically optimized for the latest chipsets like the X870 and B650, meaning it is built to handle the heavy lifting of modern computing. One thing to remember is that these are matched pairs for a reason, so you should never mix and match different kits if you want to keep that stability. It is rare to find hardware that balances raw power, understated aesthetics, and genuine reliability so well. This kit is not just about numbers on a box. It is about making sure your high-end processor can actually breathe. If you want a no-nonsense, high-performance memory solution that just works, the Flare X5 is an absolute powerhouse that delivers exactly what it promises.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.